Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from May's Boxycharm. This month's theme is flourish. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum, Skin Ink My Daily Dose of Uplift, Ciate London Shadow Flip in the shade Ember, and the Sophia and Maybelle Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's create a look with some of the products we received. First, let's try out the Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Serum. I have so many eye creams now, it seems like I receive one in every single box from Ipsy or Boxycharm. It comes in this little pouch and it looks like it has a pump as well. I like the consistency of this one. It's really thin and runny. It did a really good job depuffing, however, it doesn't have any sort of dewy or illuminating effect as it claimed. Next, I'm applying the Skin Ink My Daily Dose of Uplift Serum. This bottle is so pretty and I can definitely see why it's the second most expensive product in the box. It looks very luxurious and very beautiful. It has this no tamper seal right here as well. And I just really love these types of dropper bottles for serums. And as you can see in there is encapsulated collagen and hyaluronic acid, so this definitely looks very beneficial and I'm excited to try it out. This is supposed to make the skin look smoother, firmer, and younger. And you can already tell the little encapsulated pieces are coming out really nicely, and those encapsulations are really beneficial because they ensure that the skincare ingredients remain fresh and work as effectively as possible once applied to the skin. Now let's test out the Ciate London Shadow Flip. This is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Ember. The multi-chrome effect is so cool. It has an orange, green, and gold shift. I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. You can see all of the shifts in color when applying it, so that's nice. Finally, I'm applying the Sophia and Maybelle Hydrating Hybrid. This is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E, so it's really hydrating and creamy. I love the color. Nude is always a good look. Here's the finished look using products from May's Boxycharm. Let me know what you thought of this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.